As the safety team organisation in the project, we are committed in identifying activities that have potential creating significant hazard and risk to the public, employees and also the environment. We eliminate risk caused by the construction by implementing health, safety and environmental policy. The objective of this policy is to sustain safe and healthy working environment, prevention of work-related injuries or illness, prevent pollution, and also ensuring the project is complied with the legal and other requirements related to health and safety environment. Other than health and safety environmental policy, we also implement our own quality policy in order to provide excellent services in delivering projects to achieve clients or stakeholder expectations. The objective of this quality policy is to promote quality of our organisation to meet the client's requirements, that is must, and also to exceed the Malaysian standard ISO quality management system. Besides, we also implement this policy to do things right the first time and every time. For our last policy, with the help of our risk management policy, we also committed to put in place a system for identifying, assessing and also responding to the risk. Then we provide the mechanism to bring the risk to the attention of the board and also the management. This risk management policy help us, the safety organisation team of the project, to meet or exceed the industry standard and to improve the system of risk management continuously.
So, as the safety officer, we provide education and training. This is important as there is a lot of accidents occur due to the ignorance and lack of awareness regarding the risk and hazard at the workplace. So this method will comprise things such as first, toolbox or safety things. This is where the informal meeting between the supervisor and the workforce being held at or near the job site. This is doing to plan job tests and spreading info regarding the specific safety hazard. Next, we have safety pledge program. In this program, both supervisor and the laborer will sign their pledge to keep their safety at the workplace. We also have first aid training. The purpose of this training is to expose the workforce with what they need to do if there is an accident, those to familiarize them with it. Lastly, we provide fire drill training. Sorry. This is training on how to operate any firefighting equipment, what action to be taken during the emergency, how to evacuate the building, and so on.
As the site safety officer, we conduct a site safety inspection. We do site safety inspection every week. The site safety inspection usually attend JKKP, which is Jabatan Keselamatan and Kesihatan Pekerjaan, and client representative. Next is the main objective of this site inspection is to monitor and to observe the construction site to keep ahead of safety issue. Okay, next is safety auditing. First, as a safety officer, we will do a safety auditing. Safety auditing is a review aspect of a project to ensure that health and safety policy of the company construction being properly implemented of the project. So next is safety audit also can identify the area in which policy of the project to be more effective and to be more improved of the project. Last but not least, we usually do this auditing every month or annually, which the consists of client representative and other local authority. Okay, thank you.
As a safety supervisor, before worker and visitor enter the site, the worker or visitor need to wear personal protective equipment or PPE. PPE is function to protect employer or visitor from health and safety risks that might happen at the construction site. The first equipment is helmet. Safety helmet is to protect our head from falling object. Second equipment is safety shoe. Safety shoe is to protect foot from the step on the sharp object at the side. Third, vest. Besides, the worker also need to wear glasses and gloves. Alright, thank you.
Okay, as a safety supervisor, the common problem for facing by construction team is noise, dust, and lighting. To overcome this problem, we have a safety measure device, which are lux meter, noise meter, and also dust measuring device. Okay, first lux meter measure the amount of light that distribute over particular area. Second is noise meter, measure the sound pressure. The third one is dust measuring device, measuring of indoor air quality in workspace. Our construction site also equipped with a safety preventive device. It used on site to eliminate any hazard. We have a sign, signal, temporary lighting, and barricade that can be found in the proposed construction site. Besides, we also give an instruction to crane operator by qualified person if the crane work near to the existing building. Also, temporary lighting need to be at least minimum requirement 120 lux of brightness to gain the night working permit to work.
Alright, Zeta rules. Zeta rules is actually all activities that being carried out must follow the guidelines that been referred, which is the non-compliance of it cannot be tolerated. So Zeta rules mean zero tolerance rules. There are 10 Zeta rules, which are first, work with valid work permit. Second, verified energy isolation before starting work. Third, obtain authorization to use equipment. Number 4, obtain authorization before entering confined space. Number 5, protect yourself against fall at height. Number 6, use the correct PPE. Number 7, obtain authorization before excavation or entering work. Number 8, do not position yourself under a suspended load. Number 9, do not smoke outside designated area. And the last one, number 10, do not use mobile phone while driving.